Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the part 2 of the linear equations, where we will learn about two-step and multi-step equations, how we are going to deal that. Okay, let's start with the example. So here you can see two operations are there, right? So here you can see a minus operation, and then here you can see a multiplication. 3 times x, that is 3x, right? So here the multiplication is involving and here subtraction is involving. So let's see how we are going to do that. So 3x minus 2, so which means we have to cancel the 2 first. So add the 2, right? So if we are adding the 2, what we have to do? We have to add the 2 this side as well, right? So now these two are getting cancelled. So we will get 3x, that is equal to 11. So now what we have to do, this is a multiplication, right? So what we have to do is we have to do the division. So if you divide here, you have to divide this way as well. So these two are getting cancelled. So x will be equal to 11 over 3, right? So that's how we have to do this. So next one. So here you can see a positive here, right? So we have to do the subtraction and here it's multiplication. So let's see 4x plus 8, right? So you do a minus. So if you do the minus operation, here also you have to do this, right? So these two are getting cancelled. So 4x remains. And then 12 minus 8 is 4. So now what we have to do? We have to divide by 4. Both the sides you divide it. So x will be equal to 1, right? So likewise here, we will see here division and subtraction. So y over 7, you minus the 8 and you plus this, right? So you can get the cancellation and 20 plus 8. So these two are getting cancelled. So y over 7, that is equal to 28, right? So now y is equal to how much? 27, right? So here what we have to do is division is there, right? So the division is there. You multiply this. So if you multiply here, you have to multiply this way as well. So these two are getting cancelled. So y is equal to 28 times 7. 196. So that's how we have to do the two-step operation. So where you have to do, if there is subtraction, you have to do the addition. If there is addition, you have to do the subtraction, right? So likewise, if there is a multiplication, you have to do the division. So if there is a division, you have to do the multiplication, right? So let's move to the multi-step equation. So here, let's see here, we will have to do the multi-step, right? There are some steps involved. So here what we have to do, 5x is there and 3x is there, right? So what we have to do is, we have to take these two in one side, right? So let's see here, 5x is there, right? So take this one here, so it gets minus 3x, right? And send the 2 this way. So minus plus 2 will be minus 2. 10 minus 2, right? So here you can do the subtraction, which is 2x. That is 10 minus 2 is 8, right? So here what you have to do, divide by 2. This side also divide by 2. So x will be equal to 4, right? So let's see here in this example, there is a bracket, right? So what we have to do is we have to cancel the bracket. So how we can do? You multiply these two by this and this, right? So where you can get the cancellation of the brackets. So 2x, right? And 2 times 4 is 8. That is equal to 5x plus 6, right? So now what we can do is, okay, we will take the x one side and the numbers other side, right? So we will send the 2x here and we will take the 6 here, right? So when we have sending the 2x here, so 8 is there, this gets minus, right? So 5x will be there and this gets minus. So 2x here. So 8 minus 6 is 2. 5x minus 2x is 3x. So now what we have to do? We have to divide by 3, right? So x is the x we have to isolate and divide by 3. So these two are getting cancelled. So x is equal to how much? 2 over 3. Likewise here, right? So here there is a plus. So first we will send this one here, this side. So 2x over 3, or else as we have done like earlier, plus and minus, right? So here also minus 5. So these two are getting cancelled. 2x over 3, that is equal to 11 minus 5 is 6. So now what we have to do? 3 is dividing. So multiply by 3, both the sides. So these two are getting cancelled. So now 2x is equal to 6 times 3 is 18. So now 2 and x are multiplying. So you divide by 2. So x will be isolated. So divide by 2. So x remains, right? These two are getting cancelled. So 18 divided by 2 is 9. So the answer for x is 9. So that's how we have to do when there is involvement in the multi-step equation, right? So I hope you all got it. So thanks for watching.